show that P minus 3 by 2 comma 3, Q 6 comma minus 2 and R minus 3 comma 4 are collinear. So this type of the questions, what we have to show, that means area of the triangle equal to 0 only, because area of the triangle triangle cannot be formed with the collinear points. We know that by the definition of the triangle that 3 non-collinear points form a triangle only. So collinear means there is no possibility of getting a triangle. If there is no triangle, then the area will not be there. So area of the triangle equal to 0 we should get in this question. So we will take that P, Q, R up the points respectively x1, y1, x2, y2, R, x3, y3. So let us take the solution now. What we should show, if P, Q, R collinear points are collinear, then we must show that area of the triangle PQR equal to 0, right? So let us try what is the area of the triangle by using this coordinate. So let us take area respectively. First I will write the coordinate only. P minus 3 by 2 into 3. I always told that write in a straight line, then it is easy to identify which is our x1, which is our y2, like that. Okay. So area of the triangle PQR, first formula, half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So substitute the values first. Half into x1 is minus 3 by 2 bracket minus 2 minus 4, because y2 minus y3, plus x2 is 6, so 4 minus 3, next x3 is minus 3, then y1 is 3 and y2 is minus 2, so 3 minus minus 2, that means 3 plus 2 only. So half into, close the bracket, okay, half into minus 3 by 2 into minus 6 plus 6 into 1 plus minus 3 into 5, half into, here minus 3 will get, so minus 3 into minus 3 it is plus 9, 6 into 1 is 6, then minus 15, half into 15 minus 15, half into 0, that is 0 only. So area of the triangle PQR equal to 0. So we will write, therefore area of the triangle PQR equal to 0. This implies PQR are collinear. Find the P for which minus 1 comma 3, 2 comma P and 5 comma minus 1 are collinear. So we have to find the value for P in case if these 3 points are collinear only. So let us take the solution now. Let A minus 1 comma 3, B 2 comma P, then C 5 comma minus 1 are collinear. Then area of the triangle ABC equal to 0 implies half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2, all the terms in bracket equal to 0. So half I will take to this side, so it is again 0 only. Now I will substitute x1 because respectively the 3 points I have written here. So minus 1 into P minus minus 1 plus x2 means 2 minus 1 minus 3 plus what is x3, 5 into y1, that is 3 minus p equal to 0. 0 into half, 0 only. So we got again. Next, minus 1 into p plus 1 plus 2 into minus 4 plus 5 into 3, that is 15 minus 5p equal to 0. Once again the expansion we have to do. So minus p minus 1 minus 8 plus 15 minus 5p equal to 0. Minus p and minus 5p, that is minus 6p, right? Next, what is the next terms? Minus 1 and minus 8, that is minus 9 plus 15 equal to 0. So what is the next step? Minus 9 plus 15, that is plus 6 equal to 0, right? So minus 6p equal to minus 6 implies p equal to minus 6 by 6 equal to 1. So by using the area of the triangle formula, we got p value as 1. Find the area of the triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle whose vertices are 0, minus 1, 2, 1 and 0, 3. So what is given here? D, E, F are the midpoints of the sides BC, CA and AB, and also what is given here? Vertices of the first triangle, that is triangle ABC. Now what we should find out? Area of the triangle formed by DEF, that is the small triangle formed by the midpoints of the side joining. So let us take that what is given in the question. Let A 0, minus 1, B 2, minus 1 and then C 0, 3. So what are the midpoints? D if we are taking, then BC only. D, E, F are the midpoints of BC, CA and AB of triangle ABC. So by midpoint section formula, what we can calculate? The coordinate of DEF, right? Coordinate of D I am writing equal to, D is the midpoint of BC only. So midpoint means 2 plus 0 whole divided by 2. So for the first one I'll write the formula, because if anyone forgot that formula, easily they can remember by seeing this. So only one time the formula to be written. So now I'll take the coordinate respectively. So 2 plus 0 whole divided by 2. Similarly y value 1 plus 3 whole divided by 2. So 2 by 2, 4 by 2. That means 1, 2. So the coordinate of D equal to 1, 2. Similarly, the coordinate of E. E means which side it is? The side for AC. So A is 0 and 0 only for C coordinate. So 0 plus 0 whole divided by 2. What is y value here? Minus 1 and here 3. So minus 1 plus 3 whole divided by 2. 0 by 2, 2 by 2, that is 0, 1. Now the coordinate of F, that means 0 plus 2 whole divided by 2. What is the next? Minus 1 plus 1 whole divided by 2. So 2 by 2 and 0 by 2. So 1, 0. So we'll write we have to find out the formula area of the triangle DEF only, but we have to got the values here. So area of the DEF for getting, so first I told that when we want to find out right in the straight line way, then it will be easy for you to identify x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3 coordinate. Now E I will write 0 comma 1, F the next 1 comma 0. So area of the triangle DEF means, formula first we should write half into x1 into square bracket y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Half into x1 is 1, 1 minus 0 plus x2 is 0, y3 is 0 minus 2 plus x3 is 1, so 2 minus 1. Half into 1 into 1 1, 0 into anything is 0. Next 1 into 2 minus 1, again 1 only. So 2 by 2 equal to 1 square unit. If Px comma y is a point on the line joining a comma 0, b 0 comma b, show that x by a plus y by b equal to 1 only. So if Px comma y is a point on the line joining a comma 0, b 0 comma b, that means PAB is a PAB, the 3 points are collinear only. So let us take the solution now. Given that P is a point on AB, that is PAB are collinear. If they are collinear, means area of the triangle PAB equal to 0, right? That means first we will write the formula, again half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 equal to 0. So we have not listed out the points. If you are listing the points, then only it will be easy for you. PAB, that is x comma y, that is P. A is the next one. A is a comma 0, B is 0 comma B. So we got all the 3 points. Now half into x into 0 minus b plus a into b minus y plus x3 is 0 into y minus 0 equal to 0. So similar to the previous questions, half I have to take first there. So here half 0 into half, again 0, x into minus b, that means minus bx, a into b, ab minus ay plus 0 into anything, it is 0 only. So what is the answer we are getting? Minus bx minus ay equal to minus ab. So what is the next step? All the terms are having minus, so I am cancelling with the minus 1 now. So bx plus ay equal to ab. Now if you go for the question, x by a plus y by b equal to 1 only. So here ab is there. Here instead of ab what we want? 1 only. So we are dividing the whole equation by ab only. So bx by ab plus AY by AB equal to AB by AB. So what we can cancel? B we can cancel. So what is remaining? X by A. Similarly here A we can cancel. So Y by B equal to 1. Hence proved. So with this today's class I am winding up. Practice more. Coordinate geometry is a good scoring chapter, I will say. So practice more. Thank you.